In this video, we will be replacing the stock halogen high beams in this 2010 BMW 328i with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting. There are no tools required for this installation. Access to the high beam bulbs is under the hood. You can see the high beam dust cover right behind the headlight housing. There's a metal bar at the top that needs to be pulled up to unlock it. You can now remove the dust cover. Now you can reach the high beam bulb. Go ahead and unplug the wire connector by pulling it off the bulb. To unlock the spring, push in the metal tab pointed out at you. Then you can pull the spring down out of the way and you're able to pull the old bulb out. And now that we have the old bulb out, let's compare it to the new LED. You can see the LED and halogen bulb are quite different, with the LED having the external driver and fan. But if we look closer, you'll see the LED bulb was designed to have the LED chips in the same place as the halogen filament. And the base of the halogen is an exact match for the LED wire connector, making for an easy plug-and-play fit. To install the LED, you will first need to pull the chuck off the bulb. You can now install the chuck first into the housing. Line up the tab on the top with the slot on the top of the housing. Pull the spring back up over the chuck and then push the spring tab until it locks in place. Next, you can plug in the wire connector from the bulb into the car. Now you can install the LED bulb by pushing it into the chuck. Give it a half turn clockwise to lock it in. And then feed the LED driver and any extra wires into the housing. When installed, you want the LED chips to be facing out to the left and right. To adjust the bulb, you hold the fan and turn the bulb in the housing until it's aligned. Now is a good time to test it before putting it all back together. It's working great, so we'll go ahead and finish this side. Start by replacing the dust cover. You'll first need to install the bottom and then push the top in place. Finally, push the metal locking bar back down to secure it. To install on the driver's side, follow the same steps. Unlock the top tab on the dust cover and remove it. Unplug the wire connector from the bulb. Push in the locking spring on the bulb to unlock it and pull the spring down out of the way. Pull the old bulb from the housing. Replace with the LED. First, remove the LED chuck and install it into the housing. Pull the spring lock over the chuck and push it until it's secured. Plug the wire connector from the LED into the connector where you unplug the halogen bulb. Push the LED into the chuck until it's secure and adjust the bulb if needed so the LED chips are aligned to the left and right. Test it, and then put it all back together. Now let's compare what the new LED lights look like next to the old halogen. You can see the color and brightness difference. If you want high beams that are truly bright, it might be time for an upgrade.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.